Welcome back to Think with Digital. Today we are going to learn how to make certificates in Canva. Firstly, we will go to the Create section and tap on Certificate in the search bar. You can use any landscape, gift certificate option or diploma certificate or portrait option. We are going to choose this first one here, which is 210 and 297 pixel. Now go to the designs on the left section of your Canva homepage and tap on any free version that they are provide you here. I'm just going to tap on this elegant template that Canva has provided. Now add the subtitles, then titles, and provide the name that is the certificate is going to be. After putting the achievers' names, put a text which will describe why this certificate is given to him or her. After that, go for the sign from the organization main or the president or even the dean. Then on the left side or on the right side, you can put your brand logo or your organization's logo. After doing all of the information, go to share option, tap on download and download it as PNG. That's how easily you can download any certificate that you will make in Canva. Hope this helps. If you like our video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next tutorial.